Morning class, I am Matay Jane Perez Bendol, your PE instructor. Who is your secretary, class? Please check the attendance. Thank you. Before we start our lesson, let's have a motivation. Did you know, class, what brainstorming is? So in brainstorming, you have to put out or say your knowledge and learning about the specific topic that we will discuss today. So the student who can give their knowledge about the topic has a chance to have an additional point that you may add to your final exam. Are you all ready? So our topic is athletics. Okay? Just raise your hand if you want to answer. Let's start to you. What's your name, miss? Okay, Mary Jane. So, for you, when you heard athletics, what comes first to your mind? Okay, very good. Another. Yes, you, Mr. Paul, okay? Very good. So, I know all of you have enough knowledge for our topic, and I feel that you are ready to start. So, let's get started. So, at this point in time, I will be discussing the lesson for today, which is athletics. So, make sure that you will listen carefully. Athletics is sports involving running, walking, jumping, and throwing are included in the category of athletics. It is a group of sports that are primarily categorized as track and field. It was first played in sporting events centuries ago. So Greek began promoting track and field in 776 BC or before Christ. And it was the sport that kicked off the 1986 Olympic Games. So the Americans introduced track and field to the Filipinos. It was enthusiastically welcomed as a competition event and was overseen by the Philippine Athletics Track and Field Association. And it adhered to the regulation set down by the International Amateur Athletic Federation, which serves as the sport's global regulatory body. And physical education is added to the subject due to its importance and value. So therefore, by combining the art of running and science-based running, a champion shall be born. So, if you listen, when the Greeks started to promote track and field and opened Olympic Games. Yes, you, miss? Okay, Margaret. Correct. Another question. As part of the local competition, it was governed by Philippines Athletic Track and Field Association. What's your answer, miss? Okay, Rubilin. Very good. That means you all guys listen carefully. So, ang running events are played in an oval. It has 8 lanes and the innermost of the lane measures 400 meters. The 7 other lanes are appropriate marked to indicate the 400-meter distance and exceeding land measurement. So the surface of the oval is even and leveled, covered by mixture of sand and cinder. Some are combination of asphalt and synthetic rubber. The modern running tracks are made out of synthetic rubber, right? Like materials. So, according to michellerunner.com, similar to ballet, running is just a graceful. Every stride and kilometer has a purpose inside a race. Each section of the race must meet a specific criteria in order to complete the race in a specific time. So ballerinas have to time their steps to music. Runners must time their stride to pace. On the other hand, Stephen Baker says, understanding and applying physiology could improve your running. So, yan po. That's the end of our lesson for today. Before we formally end our lesson, I have here task. Create a web map that define a meaning of athletics. Use Google Docs in answering this task. So, you may send your assignment task in via Facebook or Messenger. Okay? And the other task is learning task 4, activity 1. Let's do this. You will perform each activity at a time and answer the given question below. So, the material you will use is phone or any gadget that used in filming, rope and yoga mat, and then any available proper attire in doing this activity. So, that's all. Goodbye, class. Thank you.